Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create it. Choose Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, click on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Last but not least, answer this question: when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? By tapping on the best answer for you. Show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and tap on Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!